Hey traders, Michael from Elite Traders University here, and we're currently on a short trade on pound dollar. Now we had an edge to actually enter up in this region here up in the top, and so I went short about 3 positions. As you can see right in the top, I've now lowered my stops just below the entry point, and I still think we're looking at breaking down. I could be wrong, but I'm actually holding onto my positions for now. And the reason for that is we had this quite strong trend line break, and as well as that we had another one which was from this point to this point to this point up through here. Okay, and we haven't been able to get higher, and as you can see we're just slowly drifting lower on that time frame. We're unable to break above this trend line so far. Now, trend lines is not the way I trade, but I realize that a lot of people are watching them, and so price action tells us what price is going to do. So it looks at this stage like the dollar index is actually getting a lot stronger, and it's going to strengthen in the next few weeks. So I'm up about 300 pips on 3 positions so far total, but I'll be looking to take this down actually to this region here somewhere. I'll be looking to start closing out my positions. So that's my target. So from where we are now, it's another 170 to 200 pips, and it's definitely very realistic. We might just come down to this other swing low, which is one spot 35.30, and from where we are now, that's about 100 pips. So if the dollar index continues to strengthen, or if the dollar continues to strengthen, then absolutely that's a very valid place for us to get to. Firstly the 1.35 and then down to 1.3450. That's where we're looking to take profit, and so that will be for a total of about well, almost 900 pips, maybe 900 pips, so on 3 positions. So managed to sell the top, and as this continues to break down, I'll keep moving my stops down and lock in that profit in case we get an adverse move. But let's see what happens in the next few weeks. What's really interesting is that we made the high for the month on the 1st of the month, and that's quite telling. You get these cyclical patterns where if you often you make the high or low for the month on the 1st or 2nd of the month. So we made the high on the 1st of the month, and so hopefully we break down and hopefully we're in the money. So something to watch out for when you're trading. Look at where trend lines are broken. Often you get capitulation after that point because the herd is shorting the market, and if market is unable to break back up into that zone, then it could break down. So look out for that in your trading, and good luck with your trading, and I'll see you soon.